Hey guys, welcome here back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing um, a Pycharm video, which is getting started with Pycharm. So I have the link in the description to download the Pycharm. I already have it, so I don't want to waste time downloading. But when you open it, you'll see something like this, which has this obviously Pycharm, and then 3 buttons. I recommend you go to your file explorer, and then you go into you go somewhere and create a folder where you're gonna add the project. So you want to use, I'll just create a folder here and I'll just call this test, and it comes there. Now you can close it, and then you can just click this open button and go to the directory where that folder is. So this is the folder. Then you can just click OK, and it will open up in Pycharm. And it'll give you some tips and stuff. You don't need to worry about that right now because I'm teaching you. So, you want to click File and New. And you want to add a Python file. Actually, I did it wrong. Sorry. Pycharm. We actually want to create the project because we need to get the Python inside that folder. So instead of doing that, just go here and close project, and it will come up with the screen. Just create new project, and then here in this it will load. Then you can just click this button and find it. So right here and in here, and it's this one. So by default it'll have this thing. So you can just click create. And yeah. So now, as you can see, you get the Venv, I think. Now you want to click new and Python file. So you can just name this anything you want. I'll just call this start, and it should pop up. Now I'm just going to say print hi. If this didn't work, you can just I'm gonna choose my Python interpreter. So here, apply and okay. Okay. I don't know why. Okay, now fixed. So you can see this, and all you need to do is you right click here. Oops, I accidentally you just need to right click and click run start. And as you can see, the window's actually really small. Execute it. It says hi. So now, instead of just printing, a word, we can just print a number. So let's just say 1, okay? And you just click this run button now. And as you can see, 1 is printed. So that is really good. So now I'm going to teach you something called strings. Now strings is kind of like anything that is that whatever's inside a string is by quotes. So you can use double quotes, so I can just say hello, or you can use single quotes, so I can do the same thing, and you can see there hello is right there. So now what you want to do is, after this, we're going to do something called integer and float. So integer is just a normal number. So a normal whole number. And a float you may have never heard of if you're new to Python and into computer science, because a float is more of a computer science thing than in math, but you can still use this as math. That's what people call it. So now I'm gonna tell you guys something else, which is a variable. Now a variable stores data and stuff. So from there, you can store integers, floats, strings, or even anything. So I'm just going to create a variable. You'll have a name. So I'll just say a simple name, and you can just say a equals to, and you can say anything. So I'll just use a string, for example. So I'll just say hello. Oops, hello. And then you can just print the variable. So I'll just run it. You can press Shift F10 to run it, and as you can see, hello is there. So now, you can just delete this, or, well, actually keep it. Now, just change this value to integer. And as you can see, it prints 1. You can do the same thing for 12.3, and as you can see, it gets 12.3. So, yeah. So let's use variables. So I'll have a, and then b equals to 23.4, and you can just say print a plus b. This will add a and b and print that. So it will print 35.7. As you can see, it printed 35.7. You can do this with anything. But yeah. So if you change this to string, so let's just say hello world, you can see when you do that, it will actually just have them both connected to each other. This is because this is having plus in betweens, what is it called, strings, causes that, so that it makes it that it concatenate them. So when you have a plus in between a string, it concatenates them. When you have a plus between numbers, it adds them. So yeah. Now, we'll just do some other things. So if you put a space in between, as you can see, you have hello world. You can also do is you can have no space and use a comma instead. And as you can see, it does the same thing. So yeah. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye and peace.